And God said, "Behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is on the face of all the earth, and every tree with seed in its fruit. These seeds hold the promise of life, the potential to grow and flourish, and maybe, just maybe, the potential to make your neighbors a little jealous. You shall have them for food." Genesis 1:29. From these seeds, we harvest the bounty of nature, nourishing our bodies and souls. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good homegrown tomato? To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Audrey Hepburn. Each seed planted is a testament to our faith in the future, or at least our faith that we can keep it alive until next week. These words, spoken through time, remind us of the inherent joy and hope found in cultivating life. Gardening brings people together, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Plus, it's a great excuse to wear those stylish gardening gloves. Even the smallest of spaces can be transformed into bountiful gardens, yielding fresh food and a deep sense of satisfaction. Urban gardening allows us to reconnect with nature, even in the midst of a bustling city. And let's face it, it's a great way to avoid the grocery store crowds. Welcome to the world of container gardening, where limitations melt away and possibilities bloom. With creativity and care, any space can become a thriving garden, a sanctuary of growth and beauty. And who knows, you might even grow a zucchini the size of a small car. Imagine stepping out your door to a vibrant salad garden or plucking sun-ripened tomatoes for a delicious lunch, all from pots and containers gracing your balcony or windowsill. That's the beauty of container gardening. It's the art of growing edible plants in containers of all shapes and sizes, rather than directly in the ground. This method is perfect for urban dwellers, apartment residents, or anyone with limited outdoor space. No matter how small your space, container gardening allows you to experience the joy of growing your own food. Container gardening offers a unique set of advantages. Convenience is key. Imagine tending your plants in minutes, right outside your kitchen. Control is another benefit. You choose the perfect soil, sunlight exposure, and plant varieties for your needs. This customized approach often leads to healthier plants and greater yields. And let's not forget flexibility. Move your containers around to follow the sun, create eye-catching displays, or easily adjust your garden layout as needed. You might be surprised by how much food you can grow in a small space. Even the tiniest of urban gardens can become a lush, productive oasis. A single square meter, cleverly planted, can yield an impressive harvest. With the right techniques, you can maximize every inch of your garden. Picture this: a sunny balcony bursting with cherry tomatoes cascading from hanging baskets, providing a continuous supply of fresh, juicy tomatoes for your salads and meals. Imagine vibrant lettuce mixes thriving in window boxes, offering a variety of flavors and textures for your dishes, all within arm's reach. And don't forget the fragrant herbs adding flavor to every meal. Basil, mint, rosemary, and more can be grown in small pots, enhancing your culinary creations. My own urban garden, a collection of pots, vertical planters, and hanging baskets, provides a significant portion of our fresh produce throughout the year. It's a testament to what can be achieved with a bit of creativity and dedication. From leafy greens and root vegetables to juicy berries and even dwarf fruit trees, the possibilities are endless. With careful planning and a bit of effort, you can transform any small space into a thriving garden, reaping the rewards of fresh, homegrown produce. Ready to embark on your container gardening journey? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, starting a container garden can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. There are fantastic resources available to guide you every step of the way. From books to online tutorials, the wealth of information can help you transform any small space into a lush green haven. No matter your space constraints, happy gardening, and may your journey be filled with joy and satisfaction. Remember, the key to a successful garden is patience and persistence, and may your harvest be bountiful. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the beauty of your garden.